How's it going, everyone? This is your boy Elite Killer, and I'm just doing a quick review video on the Fositan LED video light. As you can see, my lighting is quite poor at the moment in this room, but I'm going to show you what I've just recently purchased to help improve the quality of my videos. So you see me more in a sort of a HD kind of way, and it is simple. It's this. It looks like nothing. It does feel quite heavy, to be fair, but it is it's really good. So I've been doing some tests with it, and it's working really well. First off, let's just start with what you get with it. Of course, you get the light, so the square panel. Okay. You then get this handle. I'll use this basically as a stand, so you don't need to buy an additional stand for your desk if you're using it for sort of YouTube, etc. That just literally slides in and screws up. You get some interchangeable panels on the front. You get one clear one and one orange for different effects. So you get that. So I'll just pop this back on. You also get a charger. Now this charger is quite good because you can actually charge the charger. So it comes with the leads. So you actually charge the charger, or you can charge it via the lead as well. So the battery pack on the back of here just slips off, goes onto the charger portably or plugged in directly through the wall. And then it's simple, you just slot it back on and you're up and running. So not only does that hold charge, but the charger holds its own charge as well, to give you more time if you're out and about, if you're using it with a camera, etc. So that's all that comes with it, but I mean, there's nothing else that I really need, there's nothing else that I really want to do. I've got to say that it does feel really good. Like, it feels like it's sturdy, you know, it's not breaking. It feels like you probably drop it a couple of times, it would be okay. I haven't dropped it yet, but so just a couple of functions on the back here. You have your on button, which you have to hold down to turn it on. When you hold it down, the white light will appear and it will like flow up, and then the lights will be on. You then have a minus button and a plus button. Brightness, so you can go from 3200 to 5500. That's the range of the lighting, so which is really, really good. You also get an additional mount, like a swivel mount. That's for cameras. So when you're attaching it to the top of your camera, there's a list of the cameras that it's compatible with, but I think it's compatible with most because it's a general fitting. So you can fit it on the top, you can flip it if you want to do selfies, flip it around if you want to take pictures of anything else. So yeah, so overall it's great, but I could just talk about it and talk about it and talk about it, but how about I show you what it does? So this now is just me normally. There's very poor lighting in this room. I haven't actually done anything with lighting at the moment. This is why I bought this, to save me having to get new light fittings and all of the stuff done. I just thought I'll buy this for now, which is really cheap. It was only £31, about $35, and that was with Amazon Prime. The link is in the description below. If you want to go and purchase one of these, I would highly recommend purchasing one of these. So first of all, we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. So you're going to hold that button down. You can already see behind me it's lit, and it's simple. There you go. Look at the transformation in the whole of the colouring of my t-shirt. I wore this t-shirt specifically, so you can see it brighten up more. You can see me, I look more HD. The background sort of is blurred a little bit now, which is good. So yeah, and this is only on the base setting, so it's only on the setting of 3200. So if you turn it up full, I found that because of how close I'm sitting to the camera, it puts a big glare on me and doesn't look very good. It sort of puts me out of focus. But maybe a bit more distance and it will be fine. You can probably see there if I do that. See, it's a little bit too close. So if I turned it up, my face would basically look like it is there. So for this distance, I think I found the right setting. I'm going to play around with it a bit more. But guys, this is an absolute fantastic gadget to have in the games room. I'm going to have it with my live streaming on my Logitech camera. So that's going to be shining down on me, so even my streams are going to be even better. So yeah, so I haven't got an update on battery life at the moment, but I'm going to do a test on it, and I'll put that in the description below, how long the battery life lasts. But like I say, the charger, you can charge that as well, so it's portable. This basically you can just walk around with and charge, and then plug it into charger again. So you're getting sort of double the battery life, which is fantastic. So it's 11 watts if anyone's interested in that information, but it'll all be on the description and the Amazon link. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and put the comments in the comment section below. I will answer them all, and I'll see you in the next video.